What is the collective unconscious? I have an article from the Skeptics Dictionary. And it's called the collective unconscious. It's actually the definition that they give. And it's very interesting. I'm going to leave the link in the description. It says that the collective unconscious is a part of the unconscious mind common to all humans. According to Carl Jung, the collective unconscious contains archetypes, universal mental predispositions not grounded in experience. Like Plato's forms, the archetypes do not originate in the world of the senses, but exist independently of that world and are known directly by the mind. Unlike Plato, however, Jung believed that the archetypes arise spontaneously in the mind, especially in times of crisis. Just as there are meaningful coincidences, such as the beetle and the scarab dream, which open the door to transcendent truths, so too a crisis opens the door of the collective unconscious and lets out an archetype to reveal some deep truth hidden from ordinary consciousness. Mythology, Jung claimed, bases its stories on the archetypes. Mythology is the reservoir of deep, hidden, wondrous truths. Dreams and psychological crises, fevers and derangement, and chance encounters resonating with meaningful coincidences, all gateways to the collective unconscious, which is ready to restore the individual psyche to health with its insights. Jung maintained that these metaphysical notions are scientifically grounded, yet they are not empirically testable in any meaningful way. In short, they are not scientific at all, but pseudoscientific. So, as you can see, the collective unconscious, according to skeptics, is just another paranormal or metaphysical notion that Carl Jung invented. Nothing more, and it has never been proven, it has never been found, and therefore there's no need to believe in it. There's no reason to believe that there is such a thing as a collective unconscious or archetypes or any of those things that Carl Jung invented. Thank you for watching.